Minista wa tene na uria wari mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Raphael Tuju daraire toro thutha wa gikundi kia maafitha a borithi gwikinyia biacara-ini ciake mwena wa Karen muciini wa Nairobi makuetwo ni makiria ya randiroba 10 mathaa-ini ma thaa kenda cia ũtukũ.
Just told me they got instructions from above to come to this place.
Maafitha aya maraire guku amwe jana thiini wa Dari Business Park kuria kuri na mawira kiheri aige ao mahithanitie thio ciao na namba cia ngari iria mahuthirite ihithanitio.
Is showing me your face? If you're a police officer, why aren't you showing your face?
And I don't know why more than 100 policemen with 16 police vehicles should come to my premises at 2:40 a.m. without a court order, because I've asked them, do you have any court order? They say, no, we don't have a court order. We were just told to come and to make sure nobody gets in and nobody gets out.
Tuju oigete ahamurithitio biacara-ini ciake kuria makiria ya mawira 25 hamwe na mikawa minene ihingiriirio kuria oigete ahamurithitio gutari kihoto kurumirirwo.
The most difficult part of it is what this is doing to my children. One of my children is in depression as I'm talking to you and receiving treatment because it's one of my children who used to run this place. Because when something touches your children, whichever parent you are.
Kuhamurithio gwake kumanite na cira wa ihinda iraya uria ukoretwo igoti-ini thutha wake kuremwo ni kuriha faini ya makiria ya ciringi bilioni 2 runi ruria aheirwo ni bengi ya East Africa Development Bank. Tuju arekwa kuri na maafitha anene thirikari-ini aria maramereria matautonga wake wa mamilioni ma mbeca uria riu ukirie kumurira.
So Tuju wants to pay his debts. So the long and short of it is that they are not interested in being paid. They've always been interested in taking my properties in Karen. They happen to be very prime in terms of their location, both here and on Tree Lane, on Ngong Road and off Ngong Road. And it amounts to a total of, say, actually 27 acres. So what they want is the land.
Tuju oigete ndekwehera wira-ini wake akiuga cira wake ukagwetwo muthe wa keri igoti-ini ria gucokia macira riko. Kuhamurithio gwake gukite thikũ 3 tu thutha wake gũtharĩkĩrwo ni gikundi kia nyanake ũtukũ uria igoti riathanire indo ciake no ihũrwo mũnada hamwe na indo ciake iria ikirio kwendio ni hamwe na Dari Business Park kuria kuri na mukawa wa Tamarind hamwe na Entimsidai kuria ni kundu gwa ikeno gwa gikiro kia iguru. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Mainam.